Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix you have created too many pages recently. So if you want to create a new page, however, you have created many or too many pages and you will see a notification when you try to create a new page. This is what it looks like when you want to start or create a new page. So after you create your page name and then click next, and then after that, you can proceed and add some category or search for categories. But when you tap this create right here, then you will see a notification like this. You have created too many pages recently. Please try again later. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you at least two methods on how to fix this problem. So first is what you're going to do is to switch your main account to your existing page account. So in order to do that, you just have to go back to your Facebook and then tap your page right here. So this is my page. I just switched my main account to my page account. So how to do that? All you have to do is to click switch. Okay, so here what you're going to do on your Facebook page account, you have to scroll down and look for settings. Now here under settings, you have to click the search icon and then look for delete. Okay, so you will see here an option that says delete this page. But if you can't see that option right here or you are not allowed to delete any page, and if you delete a page here, then you can create a new page. But if you can't delete this page, then I'm going to show you another method. But if you have already deleted or if you can delete this page, then you can create a new one. However, if not, then go back to your main page or home page, and then you have to click this help and support, and then tap this report a problem, and then you have to scroll down till you see this continue to report a problem. Okay, continue to report a problem, tap this one, and then after that, you have to click this include and continue. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is creating a report. Here you have to scroll down and tap this include right here. Scroll down again, select a product, and then tap pages. And then here you can now describe the issue. So you can be very specific here. Please help me remove this pages or this current page because I want to create a new one. You can also upload a proof from your phone. So all you have to do is to tap this one and then import that proof that you want to delete a page because you can create a new one. So after that, you just have to click submit and wait for the customer service team to respond and help you with this matter. It could be deleting one of your pages so you can start a new one. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.